High-efficiency shredding solution, Goodklife custom single-shaft shredder blades. Goodklife single-shaft shredder blades are custom-engineered for tire recycling machines, available in alloy tool steel, high-speed steel, and bespoke materials. Combining exceptional hardness and wear resistance, they meet shredding demands across industries including metal, circuit boards, plastics, waste rubber, and wood. Manufactured through rigorous processes including forging, precision machining, and quenching, these blades deliver consistent quality and outstanding value. Their superior crushing performance ensures reliable waste processing quality, effectively shortening equipment processing cycles and enhancing operational efficiency. They provide a dependable blade solution for waste recycling and processing across various industries.